Hello programmers, my name is Sara and today we're going to learn about chain and comparison operators. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now by the end of this video you will understand what's the meaning of chain comparison operators. You will also understand how to do chain comparison operators without the keys and with the key logical operator that we will be learning about. Apply these concepts into Jupyter notebook. And lastly, you will test your knowledge by taking a mini quiz. Okay guys, now what is a chain comparison operators? So it's used to chain multiple comparisons to perform a more complex test. And also we could use these chain comparisons as shorthand and for larger Boolean expressions. Okay, now we have three key logical operators that we'll be learning about. And we can use these logical operators to combine. Now the first key logical operator we have is the and, the second one is the or, and the third one is not. So all these three key logical operators, we will understand them in the Jupyter notebook. Okay guys, now let's hop into our Jupyter notebook and explore more about chain comparison operators. So that's the Jupyter notebook. As you guys can see the input function. So let us first say is 5 greater than 3. We're just going to put them direct. So when I run that, I will get true. Let's say is 3 greater than 4. When I run that, I will get false. So let us try to create a chain. So we're going to say is 5 greater than 3 and is 3 greater than 4. And see what will be the output be. 5 greater than 3 and is 3 greater than 4. Now when I run that, I will get false. Now for some people here, they might get confused. Is 5 greater than 3 is true, but then is 3 greater than 4 is false. So the output will be false. But then if I change that sign to be less than, when I run that, I will get true because 5 greater than 3 is true and is 3 less than 4 is true. Now we can use a logical operator to rewrite that code. And we could use the AND keyword. So we can say is 5 greater than 3 and you can see the syntax highlighting. And we can say is 3 less than 4. Now when I run that, I will get true. Now AND means for the left and the right condition to be true. And also you can add parentheses. For some, if you want, you can add parentheses. If you don't want to add parentheses, it's fine. It does not matter. When I run that, I will still get true. Now the second operator that we will be discussing about is the OR. So OR means either the left or the right condition to be true. I'm just going to say is 1 equal to 1 or is 5 equal to 1. When I run that, I will get true because or it needs only either of these conditions to be true. Okay, now let us discuss about the not. Now not means it gives us the opposite Boolean. So if I said 2 is not equal to 5, when I run that, I will get true, but then not gives us the opposite Boolean. So if I said not, it will give us false. Okay guys, these are the 3 key logical operators we learned about. And now we're gonna hop back into our slides and test your knowledge by taking a mini quiz. So okay guys, now let's test your knowledge on chain comparison operators. Okay, question 1. Is 5 greater than 1 and is 4 greater than 1? Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about the answer, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is true because the AND means for the left and the right condition to be true. Now for the second question is 1 equal to 1 or is 5 is equal equal to 6. Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about the answer, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is true because the or is either of these conditions to be true. One of these conditions. Okay, for the third question is not 1 equal to 1. Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about the answer, and then when you are ready, unpause it again. Correct, the answer is false because the not gives us the opposite billion. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell on to get notified every time I upload a new video. Keep programming, and I will see you guys all on Programming Kids. Bye for now.